Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video I'm going to show you a new update, which is like a new testnet that are going to be like started but not yet. But the testnet is like starting collecting like early users, which is like waitlist. So let's click on continue so that we will see what is the requirement that we need to provide it to be a waitlist users. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's click on agree. So let's click on get start. So I need to follow their X account, join Discord, join Telegram. So here is the here is the needful that I need to do to like having a waitlist user. So let's click on authorize. So let's click on follow. So let's get back to our main website. So as you can see, like the following X account has been concluded. So let's join a Discord. So we need to log in. So let's click on authorizing to the Discord channel. So it's authorizing. We need to be a small patient to be successfully verifying. So I'll set the invite. So we are waiting it to be fully accessible, the Discord to be fully accessible, so that you can come and like watch their movement in their Discord. So that definitely any project like which has a serious like participation, so definitely they used to announce their official announcement in their Discord channel. So let's click on verify, so that we will not be inaccessible to their channel. So let's click on verify. So we need to verify this human verification. So they need us to verify we are human. To continue, you must prove that you are human. Choose the best option. Choose the option that best describe the following image. So let's click on this section so that we see which is the option that is related with this option, which is Panda. So he's Panda. So congratulations, we have successfully verified, as you can see here. So as you can see, the X has been verified, and again the Discord. So let's scroll down for a Telegram here. So let's join the Telegram channel. Login as me. So congratulations for me, I have successfully passed the Telegram verification. So I need to import it, the email that I need to be waitlisted. So as you can see, I have imported the email. So let's verify it together. So I have successfully verified the email. So I need to get an early batch. So here it is. Here is the simple procedure that you need to be following to be waitlisted for this incentive testnet. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So definitely I will drop the link below in the description below so that you can come and participate in this. So if this video reaches you, so don't bother like following like where are you going to get the link. So definitely I will provide it in the description below. So here it is. Thank you.